How AI quietly replaced human value and nobody noticed. It did not happen overnight. There was no warning, no breaking news, no global announcement saying humans are no longer needed. Instead, it happened quietly, so quietly that most people are still asleep. At first, AI was just a tool, something simple, something helpful. It wrote email faster, suggested better captions, edited video in seconds. People said, "This is amazing, it saves time," and they were right. But what they did not realize was this: every second saved was a skill slowly fading. Writers stopped writing, designers stopped designing, thinkers stopped thinking. Because why struggle when a machine can do it instantly? In offices across America, managers replaced teams with software not because they hated people, but because AI did not get tired. It did not ask for raises. It did not make mistakes, at least not obvious ones. A company that once needed 50 employees now needed just 5, and the rest. They were not fired dramatically, they were just no longer necessary. Freelancers felt it first. Writer, designers, editors, people who once earned thousands, now competing with tools that cost $10 a month. Clients stopped asking who is the best. They started asking why pay at all. And then same and then came something even more dangerous, not job loss, but value loss. Because the real question was never, can AI do the job? The real question became, what is a human worth? When AI can do everything, students stop learning deeply. Why memorize? When AI can answer instantly, why understand? When AI can explain better, creativity changed. Art was not created anymore, it was generated. Music was not felt, it was produced. Stories were not lived, they were promoted, and slowly human effort started to feel outdated. Imagine this: two people apply for a job. One spent 10 years mastering a skill. The other uses AI and finishes tasks faster. Guess who gets hired? In a word, obsessed with speed. Effort lost its meaning. But here's the twist nobody talks about. AI did not replace humans completely, it replaced average humans first. Those who relied only on basic skills were the easiest to replace because AI thrives on patterns and average work is just patterns. But something interested starting happening. The rare few who did not depend on AI blindly became more valuable than ever. People who could think deeply, people who could question AI, people who could create what machines could not feel. They became irreplaceable because AI can generate answers, but it cannot experience life, it cannot feel pain, it cannot understand purpose, it cannot carry meanings, and that's where humans still win. Not in speed, not in efficiency, but in depth. But here's the scary part. Most people are trading depth for conveniences without even realizing it. Every time you let AI think for you, you lose a little bit of your own thinking. Every time you let AI create for you, you weaken your own creativity and slowly, without noticing, you become dependent, not replaced, but controlled. This is not a story about machines taking over. It's a story about humans giving up what made them valuable. Because the truth is simple, AI did not steal human value, humans gave it away, and the question is, are you one of them, or are you one of the few who will rise above the noise and become something AI can never replace? The future does not belong to AI. It belongs to the humans who know how to use it without losing themselves. After YouTube titles AI replacing humans quickly, and it's terrifying the day humans lost their value. You are being replaced and you do not even know it. AI versus human, the truth nobody tells you. And thank you.